Alright, so this video is basically me cooking food for my dad, so enjoy. Oh my god. I'm really tired. So, I decided that it would be a good idea to, definitely wasn't a good idea to take my jacket off in the middle of the video and walk off. Thanks, Millie. You know, cook some food for my dad. Because I forgot about Valentine's Day. I have to come up with something for my mom, and it is a Saturday. So I kicked my dad out, told him, hey, just don't come here for 3 hours and filming a video, right? Which is half true. I stole some money, I asked for money, but, and I took his keys and I went to the store. It took a long time, and I'm very tired. So, with that being said, a couple things about my dad. He's on keto, he's been on keto. It's terrible because I have to kind of watch out like what I say, and I'm not very good at that. So I'm gonna make him tacos. I know he's allowed to eat eggs. I know he's allowed to eat meat. I know he's allowed to eat tomatoes, I think. If he's not, then screw it. And then I'm not sure about tortillas, so I just bought these spinach ones because they sound healthy. So yeah, we're gonna go with it. Also, I don't really know too much about cooking, so especially the meat, that's what I'm really worried about. Yeah, I'm not really sure how this is gonna work, so I'm gonna get my laptop real quick. After this moment of decision, I left for 5 minutes and came back eventually. I think the beef is gonna take the longest. I just realized I'm gonna have to cook things like at once, like all at once. I didn't think about that. God. I'm gonna burn this place down, I swear to God. I was gonna cook dessert, but that's too hard. By the way, I don't have a recipe as well, so I can't really like follow a recipe. What's a skillet? That's right, I didn't know what a skillet was at this moment. That's how unskilled I am. This goes in the dishes. Also goes in the dishes. Okay. Alright, first off, this is egg. That's the egg station. We need butter. I got butter. I got tortillas as last. Great. This is gonna work out amazing, guys. Experience of cooking. My dad taught me to do this thing where you put it. Oh, okay, it's ready. I'm really scared. You guys ready for this? Yeah, I'm pretty ready for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need a thing. I need to. Oh god. Let me take it off of high to medium. I need this. Oh, it's so floppy. I want floppy. And you just keep stirring it, is what my dad told me is like the Gordon Ramsay kind of way to do things. The crap out of this. By the way, do not wear jewelry while you do this because, spoiler, it starts to burn at some point. So, also, you're probably going to need a smaller pot. I don't cook scrambled eggs traditionally, but you know, because I do the Gordon Ramsay way because I feel like it's easier for me, so. Now we can start moving on to cutting tomatoes up. What? And I wash my hands, so it's all fine. In a second, I'm gonna put the the food together. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then when he comes back home, I'm gonna heat it up into the microwave and then serve it to him. Got the mess I've made. Just move that over there. Got some of that. That's just a lot of that. Don't make me cook again. Don't ever ask for me to cook because it's not a very pretty sight. But let's look at the food. Here you go. So we've got the meat, which is really chewy, but it's not raw for sure. And it's got taco seasoning on it. There's cheese, tomato, meat, and under it is like egg. This is like spinach tortillas. Actually, they're really good. I recommend them. They taste like tortillas, but healthy, but in a good way. And that's about it. And then I'm gonna just put that into the fridge. When he comes home, I'll just heat it up for him. I don't really know where to put it. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on the floor. Okay, nope, that's not gonna fit. Damn it. Put that there. Put this here. Thanks for watching. I'll show I'll show him if he likes it, and get an honest approval or whatever. Yeah.
Okay, you want me to act scared?
No.
How do you want me to act?
I don't want you to act.
You want me to act like I like
just
it?
Give me your honest opinion. Okay.
I don't know what this is.
Close your eyes. All right. Let me.
Oh, Millicent.
All right.
Can I open my eyes?
I made you tacos.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's awesome. What is that? Eggs and tomato and cheese and steak? Is that steak?
That's ground beef.
Ground beef?
It was really hard to cook.
And then a green tortilla?
Yeah, it's spinach.
Oh, is it
Oh.
keto friendly?
I hope.
You don't have any idea.
It just sounded healthy.
Oh, well, I don't know why you're filming this, but thank you for making me lunch.
Just
This is very sweet of you.
you just eat it. Tell me if it's good. I want to know because it was really hard to make. It took me like almost an hour.
It's too hot to touch. Here, I'm just having. This is ground beef.
I wasn't very good at cutting it up though.
It's cooked.
I know, that's what I said.
Hot. Damn. Really hot.
Sorry.
Where'd you get the recipe from?
I didn't get a recipe.
That means you invented it yourself.
I did.
It's so good.
Thank you.
It's so good. Thank you so much.
It is? It's actually good?
It's so delicious.
I hope the beef was okay.
No, why wouldn't it be?
I was really nervous. I'm not good at cooking meat.
This is where you tell me I'm eating like a monkey.
No, it's beef. Alright, thanks for being in my video.
Thank you for making me. I'll be in any video where I get free food.
Yeah.
So.
Alright.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.